Okay, well today Isaac is breaking up the scum layer in the ATU tank. It gets all crusty, and if you break that up it goes back to treating. And we determined that the diffuser doesn't even have all of the parts, so they're rebuilding the rest of it. He's got all the parts he needs there, putting it all, making it work again because somebody just chopped the whole bottom half of it off. I pulled out the pump and we determined that the inlets were completely clogged up, so we're going to scrape those off. I'm getting my scraper there. Control panel there, it looks pretty good. We serviced it maybe 6 months ago, so we're just back for another treatment, and they had gotten a bunch of stuff in their pump, so there I'm cleaning it off, and Isaac's back there fixing what somebody chopped off, or maybe it just broke off because the system's probably 15 years old. There we're cleaning out the inlets, putting it back in, and we're going to test it, see if it sprays. Isaac's finishing up his diffuser stem there, putting it back in the ATU tank. There, all the parts are back in. There, I'm testing the float, and you can see the sprinklers in the background. There they go. They're working again because we cleaned the inlets and the water pump's working, and now we fixed the diffuser, and the air is getting where it needs to go. And they're all good. Another happy customer.